I'm going to use the Nivea Men's Post Shea Balm as my primer, and I love using this as a primer because it has a very tacky finish, which helps the foundation stick to the skin very well and last all day long. For foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade 120. And if you guys don't know, this is my favorite foundation, drugstore or high-end. I love this foundation so much, so I'm just applying that to my face, and then I'm going to blend that out using my beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Nude. I'm applying that under my eyes, on my chin, the bridge of my nose, and the center of my foreheads to highlight and brighten the face while also concealing. And I also add that to my eyes to prime for eyeshadow, and I'm just blending that out using my beauty blender. To set my face, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10 and my damp beauty blender, and I'm just pressing that powder into my skin, and I'm doing this to my whole face. This really helps to keep the makeup locked in and lasting all day long, and also I love this powder. It has a really nice finish. For eyes, we're going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking the shade Pukey on a Benefit brow brush. And right here, I'm just starting to map out a wing on both eyes to make sure that the wings are going to be even. Now that one eye is finished, I'm going back to the eye that is unfinished, and I'm starting to complete that wing. And I'm practically just drawing a winged eyeliner with a brown eyeshadow. Now we're taking the Pretty Vulgar, the Ink Gel Eyeliner in the shade 01 Blacklist, and we're tracing over that brown eyeshadow wing that we just placed down. And this just helps it be easier if you're new to wings, or this really helps with the smoky wing effect by having that brown eyeliner placed down before the black eyeliner. Now I'm taking a JH38 brush and some of the shade Pukey, and I'm just trying to smoke out that wing because this is a smoky winged eyeliner look, so we really want it to be very blended, a little messy, a little smoky. That's what we want. So now I'm going in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm going over the wing just to darken up that black and make sure everything is nice and intense. And then I'm going back in with the JH38 brush to also make sure everything is nice and smoky and blended. Now I'm taking the shade Pukey on the same Morphe JH38 brush, and I'm going to start smoking out my lower lash line. I know I do have a little bit of black shadow there, but that's not that important. It doesn't really matter. Now I'm taking my eyeliner, and I'm taking that wing that we have, and I'm starting to drag it onto my lower lash line to give that like Cleopatra eye winged effect. And now I'm going to smoke out that eyeliner under my eye again with the JH38 brush and the shade Pukey. Now I'm taking the Hazel Love lashes in the style Boss Babe. I thought these lashes really fit this smoky wing. And I do want to mention that I did tightline my eyes and put black eyeliner on my lower lash line, and the camera cut off so it did not film that part, but I did apply black eyeliner in my waterline. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Rosewood, and I'm starting to bronze / contour my face using my little Benefit Hula brush, and I'm just doing my cheekbones and my jawline. Now I'm taking the Morphe M437 brush, and I'm just running that along the areas that I bronzed just to blend everything out so that nothing's harsh and we don't have any harsh lines. I'm taking the Morphe JH02 brush to apply that bronzer to my forehead, and I really love this brush because it just applies the product very evenly and very softly, so you don't end up going overboard, because I love bronzer. It's so easy for me to go overboard. But anyways, I really love this brush because I just love the way that it applies bronzer to the face, especially the forehead. Now I'm taking my Morphe M506 brush and that same bronzer, and I'm going to start contouring my nose. I'm sure you guys have seen this 1,000 times, but I'm just drawing 2 lines down the center of my nose. I'm contouring my nostrils, my cupid's bow, and my bottom lip to give the appearance of a bigger lip. And then I'm going to blend that contour out using my little e.l.f. concealer brush, which you guys know I can't live without this brush. And I just keep blending until everything's nice and blended and looks very natural. Now I'm starting to bake, and the reason that I bake the areas that I contour is because it helps clean up that contour so everything can look very nice and sharp and clean, so that if you went too low on your contour or something, it will just clean it up and it gives you that very chiseled look. So that's why I'm baking my contour. I've got a couple questions about that, so I'm trying to clarify. Now I'm going in with the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop for my highlight. I love this highlight. This is like one of my favorite highlights ever. It's perfect for my skin tone, and I thought it looked really good with this look because everything's very smoky and warm, and this highlight just really complements these tones. And I'm applying that highlight to the tip of my nose using a Morphe E36 brush, and I also take that highlight into the inner corners of my eyelids because an inner corner highlight is very important. You can't live without that. It just really opens up that inner corner and brings attention to it so it doesn't look so dark. For blush, I'm using the Studio Makeup Luminous Loose Blush on a Morphe JH06 brush, and I love this blush. If you guys know, I've been using it in all my videos recently, and right there I was just showing what a difference blush makes. A lot of people think it doesn't make a difference. It does, you guys. Don't skip on blush. Now I'm wiping away my bake using a Morphe M437 brush, and then I also run that brush along my whole face just to make sure all the products are nice and blended together. For setting spray, I'm using the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist, and this does work very well as a setting spray. It does really help melt all the powders on the face together, and it just helps the makeup set in place. For my lips, I'm going in with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweet Tea. You guys know I love the Morphe lip liners. They are $3. They are huge and they work so well. They aren't like waxy and they don't drag on your lips like other lip liners. So they are bomb. You guys should really invest in Morphe lip liners. Every time I make an order from Morphe, I make sure to grab a few lip liners because they're only $3, you guys. If you haven't tried them, you have to try them, I'm telling you. For lipstick, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Venus. And I have had this lipstick for a long time. And I've been sleeping on this lipstick. Ever since I've used this lipstick in this video, I haven't been able to put this lipstick down. It is so gorgeous. This is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Smoky winged eyeliner makeup tutorial. I love the way this makeup look turned out, and I think it's perfect for any night out, going on a date, going out with your friends, going to a concert, whatever it is. This makeup look is perfect for so many occasions and will go with any outfit. I really hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, please make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel because it would mean so much to me. And if you decide to recreate this makeup look, make sure you tag me on Instagram or Twitter because I would love to see it. My social medias are linked down below. Really quickly, I do want to mention the giveaway that I am having going on. The giveaway ends Monday, March 4th at 11:59 p.m. I will contact the winner through email on Tuesday, March 5th, and the winner will have 24 hours to respond to me, or else I will have to pick a new winner. The rules are very simple. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. This is mandatory. Give this video a like and leave a comment on this video asking me any questions you want to know about me for a Q&A video you guys have requested me to film, and or leave a comment letting me know of any requests you have for my channel and makeup tutorials like challenges, makeup looks, get to know me videos, whatever you want to know about me. Any videos you want, just request everything down below. Celebrity, makeup looks, whatever, request them. I want to know what you guys want to see. And you have two options for a bonus entry if you follow me on Instagram and if you follow me on Twitter, but those are optional. You don't have to do that to enter, and it's very simple to enter. All you gotta do is go down to my description box, and the first thing that will be in my description box will be the link to enter the giveaway. All you do is click that link. It's through a website called Gleam. So just click that link. It will have you put your name and your email, and it will verify that you're subscribed to me, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So make sure you enter because it's really simple to enter, and you could have the chance to win the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar Palette, some Becca Cosmetics lip glosses, a Too Faced melted lipstick, the NARS Orgasm blush, a NARS lipstick, a Stilla Cosmetics glitter and glow highlighter, and all this other makeup right here. You have the chance to win it all. And if I missed anything, everything, all the details are in the description box. So all the products here are all listed in the description box with color and everything. So if I missed anything, make sure you just check out the description box. Make sure to enter before the giveaway ends because it is ending soon, and I want to make sure everyone has a chance to win all this makeup, especially the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette. Come on, you guys. The Blood Sugar Palette. I'm so excited about that. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Good luck to anyone who enters my giveaway, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!